Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valeria card kingdoms step by step. First, let's prepare for your epic adventure. Begin by setting up the main game board and placing the monster and domain card stacks in their designated spots. Each player then receives a unique Duke card, 2 starting citizen cards, and 3 gold tokens to kickstart their kingdom. Don't forget to draw 3 monsters from the shuffled deck to populate the central monster area and arrange all resource tokens nearby. Now let's dive into the heart of your turn. You'll begin by rolling 2 6-sided dice. These dice rolls are crucial as they determine which of your citizens activate. You can activate citizens matching either the individual dice results or their combined sum, gaining valuable resources, gold, or other benefits. After activating citizens, you must choose one main action from 4 exciting options. Recruit a new citizen, slay a fearsome monster, build a powerful domain, or simply acquire 2 gold. Let's explore 2 key actions, recruiting and slaying. When you choose to recruit, you'll pay the gold cost displayed on a citizen card and add them to your personal tableau, immediately expanding your kingdom's capabilities. Alternatively, you might decide to slay a monster. This requires paying specific resource costs, but in return, you'll earn valuable victory points and often receive immediate rewards like additional gold or resources, strengthening your position. Finally, let's look at building domains and acquiring gold. Choosing to build a domain means paying its specific resource costs, adding a powerful card to your kingdom that offers ongoing benefits or substantial endgame victory points. If you're short on funds, the Acquire Gold action lets you simply take 2 gold tokens from the general supply. The game concludes when any 2 stacks, either monsters or domains, are completely depleted, so plan your strategy carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.